everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today I'm doing a little mini collab with Alex from Makeup Addict 1992, and we are going to review and try out the Aurora Struck palette by Colourpop. This is new to us. We were on a waiting list, like waiting for the restock. Both of us missed it, and we ordered it last week, and we're gonna look at this beautiful palette and try it out. I'm excited to see what kind of look Alex comes up with. So this is out of the box. This is what it looks like, the same as the outer cover. Let me take the ooh, this is very pretty. Look at that. All right. Wow, there's so many beautiful colors in this. Not that I'll be able to read all the names on them because they're in silver on a white background, but I'll try it. I don't even know where to begin. Alright, so we're going to do like an Aurora color, I guess. I think I'm going to just start. These colors are really beautiful. There's not a lot of mattes. Let's see, what does it say on the back? I can't read it. It's a pressed powder palette. Alright, we're just going to start. I'm going to go in with... the color called No Sleep. I'm going to do the inner corner with that. It's like a light pink color. Okay. Let me see. I need a different brush. This is a very beautiful palette. I remember when it came out, there was a lot of hype about it, and it sold out quick. I was on vacation. I'm going back in with that No Sleep. And no access to a computer. And it sold out very quickly. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that. It's like a pinkish purple. It's pink in the pan. Let me see what it looks like. But it's like a pinkish purple on. That's kind of cool. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Journey, which is this light blue right there. And I'm just going to... That's really bright. Holy shit. I'm just going to bring that out. I know this looks weird. Trust the process. We're going to go back into No Sleep. God, my daughter's swearing in the background. Sorry, guys. Alright, let me get a blending brush. A lot of fallout, but that's okay. Even though I did my foundation already, I'm not mad at it. I don't know. Okay. So I'm going to go in to I'm trying to find another map, but a darker one. Stormy Much, which is that darker blue. I might have to pause this and go see what my kid's doing. I have hooded eyes, so I have to do this a little bit different. Oh my God, I'm sorry if you can hear her swearing. She's in a bad mood this morning. She didn't sleep well last night. And it's that time of the month, if you know what I mean. And she is not a happy camper. Alright, I'm going to blend this. It's blending nice. And this is probably not the eyeshadow. It's probably my skin. Why it's not wanting to blend in that one spot. There we go. Let me take that. That's pretty. Okay. Alright, that's good. Now, you got the blue and the pink and the purplish. What do I want to do in the center? They're all so pretty. I kind of want a greenish. I don't know if I want that. I think I'm going to do Arctic Fox. It's kind of a shimmer. Looks like that. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. I like that a lot. All right, let me turn her down a little bit. I'm sure you've heard the worst of it by now. All right, I like that, and I think I'm gonna go with Borealis, like up on the top. I'm gonna try it with a brush. Well, it looks purple in the pan. It does look like an Aurora Borealis, doesn't it? Excuse me. All right, I'm gonna go put some eyeliner on and mascara and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So, I went into Phenomenon on the bottom and did the under the eyelash, and then back into No Sleep in the corner. I did Breakfast at Tiffany's eyeliner of Jeffree Star's eyeliner, and I did Level Up mascara from ColourPop, and I did Pure Hell. I think that's the name of this lipstick. Yeah, Pure Hell by Jeffree Star. And I went into Comet Seeking, which looks like that. And tapped it on top of the Pure Hell. Okay, so I am really enjoying this palette. I'm going to show you a couple of the shimmers, like Atmosphere. It's right there. And it's a little glittery. It's kind of like a brownish, purplish color. Let's go into In Orbit, which is down here. It's green. It looks like that. Very pretty. Oh, and that Comet Seeking that I put on my lip is the purple. Let's see what else. There's a dark one down on the bottom called Total Eclipse. And that's like that. It has a really neat shift to it. But the camera's not picking it up. There's like blue and green. All of them have that, like a little aura shift. So anyway, I'm going to really enjoy this palette. I can think of 100 different looks I could make with it. So I give a thumbs up to the Aurora palette, Aurora Struck palette. And I can't wait to see the look that Alex comes up with. And that's it for today. Please go watch Alex over at Makeup Addict 1992. And give her a thumbs up, like and subscribe. What do you guys think? Very pretty, very Aurora struck, if you will. Alright, that's my video for today. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Hit that notification bell if you want to be reminded of when I upload. And until next time, see you later. Bye.